Ndugamano ya arigitani na thirikari cia matura iguru ria mucara wa thiku igana rimwe riria maigite miro yayo thi yahota kuhoroha thutha wa magavana othe 47 kuiguithaniirie ni mekuriha micara iyo.
We want to confirm in our deliberation this morning, we decided that on humanitarian grounds, we will pay doctors for the 100 days that they were on strike. But we hope an unprecedented situation like the one they put the country on will never be repeated again.
Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kia mwaka kia magavana, gavana wa Meru Peter Munya ugite ikinya riu ni kionania kia wirutiri wa magavana kugacirithia ruhonge rwa urigitani. Ona thegia ya ripoti ya muthurimu wa mathabu ma thirikari Edodouko kuga magavana matikoretwo makihuthira kigina kia muingi na njira iria yagiriire ni meteteire makiuga ni mathundurite tabarira nyingi cia uthii wa nambere.
Between 2013 and 2016, the following was achieved in the road sector. Tarmacked roads 379 kilometers, marramed, graded or graveled roads 35,934 kilometers.
Oho ni mamenereirie bunge ya bururi na senate makiuga ikoretwo ire muhinga wa utamburukia wa mahinya makiria hari ugai wa kigina kuri county na guthondeka mawatho megie utamburukia wa mahinya na riu ni moritie honge cia thirikari hegitio bunge cia matura.
County assemblies are empowered by law, by the Constitution of Kenya, to pass laws. And the fact that county assemblies are smaller than the National Assembly doesn't make them any inferior.
Okaidini okau kanju-ini ni icagurite Ngavana wa Turkana Josphat Nanok ta muikariri giti mweru thutha wa Munya kurega ihinda ria miaka 2 utongoria-ini.
I do promise to do all that is within my powers to push the devolution agenda forward.
Nanok gutongoria kanju-ini kwa ihinda ria mieri 2 ukite kuona kuringana na watho ni nginyagia kanju-ini yubwo weru thutha wa githurano kinene.